Andali lang. Nasaan yung hagis mo? Anong number? What number?
12.
Number nyo ni?
Don't remember.
Don't lie to me.
Makel.
Nino?
Okay.
So, anong gagawin mo?
Your hagis in the sky.
In the sky?
Somewhere city. May bahay ba dyan?
Well, meron.
Okay.
I mean,
Are you not wearing your shoes on?
look, there's a house. What? Yeah. Any last words for Makel?
No.
Ha?
No.
Mahal mo pa?
No.
Bakit hindi mo ko mahal? No.
Hindi mo ka mahal. Hindi ko na mahal.
Promise
Look
mo.
at the cows. Tama, they're
Walang
running.
cows!
Oh, yeah, no, what would you call them? They're running.
They're not running, they're just like...
No, they're... Some of them are
Anyway,
running.
mahal mo pa?
No.
Hindi mo nga ako look in the eye.
Sabi ko no.
Bakit ka ganyan? Bakit ka nagsasmile?
Kasi I'm happy to be with you.
Yeah, Jesus.
Come on, can I just try?
Huh? If I didn't even tell you, you wouldn't even do it.
Because hindi na importante, hindi ko napansin.
Bakit ganyan ka?
I just throw it. Okay?
Hindi, say bye-bye, Makel. Your second last memory of Makel, di ba? The next time yung bag na susunugin, di ba? Di ba?
Okay.
Bakit okay lang?
Of course.
Of course.
Yung bahay, yung bag.
Yung bahay, kagi.
Oh, sige na.
Bakit dito kaya mo ba ano yun?
Here?
Reach yun.
Obviously.
From here. Dun sa bangin na yun.
Yeah?
Okay. Ay. Pag hindi, ako, nahagis mo yung sing-sing ko dyan. Pero yan, hindi. That means mahal mo pa siya. Okay.
Where did it go?
Okay, fine. Bahala ka dyan sa buhay mo. Where did it go, Ambuta? Ang galing talaga. Where did it go pa?
Bakit? Kasi di know. Saan ka nangagi? Baka